Welcome to Matthew's Test Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a remoulade sauce. It's got 12 ingredients, super simple, easy to whip up, stores great in a little jar in the fridge, but wonderful to dip shrimp in, fried, boiled, whatever. Also pairs well on po' boys and any kind of fish dish as a sauce. So let's get to it. First we're going to add in 1 cup of mayo. We're gonna add in half a small onion minced. Gonna add in about 2 tablespoons of diced pickled jalapenos. I prefer the hot trappies. And then we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 green onion sliced. Gonna add in actually 2 tablespoons of hot horseradish and 3 garlic toes pureed up. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of your favorite black and red fish seasoning. 4 dashes or about 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire, 1 tablespoon paprika, smoked, and then we're gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, kosher salt, and black pepper. And then 2 tablespoons of Creole mustard. Blend that up. And so it should kind of come out a light salmon colored or light pink. And that's the smoked paprika. Some people use ketchup to do that, but I really don't like using ketchup in it. It just doesn't taste as good. Ketchup's such a sweet sauce anyway. It just doesn't pair well. Give it a quick taste. Definitely get the creaminess of the mayo, the bite of the horseradish, a little bit of green onion and onion in it. And those flavors left overnight will blend even to smooth out a little bit more. They're sharp right now, but man, that's got a nice little tangy bite to it. Perfect complement to any kind of seafood. So, thanks for watching. All right, this is the real deal. Camera's rolling. Huh?